I think mas pressured si Canelo. Unang-una, he's the favorite. Meaning, many people are expecting him to win this fight. There's a lot more Mexican crowd, no? Nabubunga si Crawford eh. So, mas pressured siya manalo. And plus, just think about this. Think about this. Canelo matatalo ng galing sa welterweights. Medyo pressure talaga yon. Aminin nyo hindi, mas pressure yun. I mean, isipin nyo na lang, pag nanalo si Canelo, everyone expected or majority expected he's gonna win. Pag nanalo si Crawford, man, that's so big. Yes, di ba? Most people are saying Canelo is gonna win this.